A Manipur Police Officer Nikhil Singh has been suspended following an assault on journalist R.C. Mangang, reporter of Impact TV. The incident occurred on August 1 during a mass rally organized by internally displaced people. According to the Superintendent of Police Imphal East District, the disciplinary action against SI Nikhil Singh of CDO Imphal East was taken due to his grave misconduct which undermines expectations from a member of the disciplined police force. The suspension order, effective immediately, was issued under Rule No. 66 of the Assam Police Manual Part 3. During the suspension period, SI Singh is required to remain at the Reserve Line headquarters in Porompat and cannot leave without prior permission. He will receive subsistence allowances as per the rules. Earlier on August 1, a journalist led by All Manipur Working Journalist Union and Editors Guild Manipur staged a protest rally demanding stringent action against the accused officer. Protesters marched from the Manipur Press Club to the Chief Minister Bungalow, where representatives of EGM and AMJU met with Chief Minister N. Singh and submitted a memorandum. R.C. Mangang recounted his ordeal, explaining that he and his crew arrived at the Akampat relief camp in Imphal East to cover the IDP protest rally. Suddenly, a sub-inspector approached me, questioning why I was filming. Mangang said, "I told him I was a journalist, but before I could show my press card, he assaulted me." Mangang detailed the attack, stating that the sub-inspector punched him 4 to 5 times, broke his mobile phone, tore his shirt, and even threatened to kill him. He sustained injuries and was rushed to Raj Medicity for treatment. Y. Rupachandra, chief editor of Impact TV and general secretary of EGM, strongly condemned the attack. The media fraternity stands united against this assault on a journalist, he declared. Following the protest rally, media representatives met with the Chief Minister urging for swift and appropriate action. Chief Minister N. Singh expressed his condemnation of the incident and assured the media representatives that he would direct the Director General of Police to investigate the case.